How to find notifications settings on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications settings on BeReal. First open BeReal and now click on your profile here, and after that click these 3 points here, and that's it. Now just scroll down until you find notifications. And here we'll find notification settings. You can manage mentions, comments, and friend requests, notifications, and that's it. It's easy. Just turn it off or on and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.